infusion, hair teas, hairspray, hair rinse are an excellent way of nourishing the hair and the scalp. Today's video I will share with you guys this one ingredient that is known to nourish your scalp and prevent breakage, dandruff, and some scalp infections, which I will be talking about in the video. So guys, stay tuned, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome guys, and if you are a returning family, thank you so much. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys just one ingredient that is so powerful. This is an amazing ingredient that is known to have a lot of benefits to the hair and the scalp. Guys, I am so excited to share these ingredients with you all. So as you guys can see on my bowl right here, I have the dried one and the fresh one. So the dried one is normally common. This is bay leaf, guys. I know a lot of you, like almost everyone in the whole wide world, know what bay leaf is, because it's a very popular herb that is known to give our food flavor, especially if you are from Africa. We normally use this to prepare jollof rice. So guys, bay leaf is not just to spice our food alone. It has amazing benefit to the skin and to the hair, guys. So to make this is very easy and simple, because I have shared some ways of making herbal hair rinse and hair teas which have a lot of amazing benefit to the scalp. So this is one of them, and also the same procedure whereby we rinse our herbs. So I am using the fresh and the dried one. The fresh one is not normally common. This is actually my first time seeing a fresh bay leaf, so I just decided to pick them up because my first time seeing them. Normally I use only the dried one, so the dried one is normally accessible everywhere. So guys, use only the dried one. I just decided to add in the fresh one because I saw it at the supermarket where I went to buy the bay leaf. So guys, go ahead to rinse it and then pour it into your pot, a clean pot, and then add in 2 cups of water depending on the amount of the herbs. So you guys can see on my pot right here, I will then go ahead to add in my 2 cups of water, put my stove on a very low heat, make sure it is in a very low heat, and then put the pot and let it simmer. After a while it will start boiling, and when you see that it's boiling, go ahead to off it. Okay, if it is not yet infused by then, go ahead to lower it again, low heat, the stove, and let it infuse well. Okay, as it is infusing, that is how the water is going to be changing. It's going to change to an orange color. It's not going to change to green, because the herbal infusion of bay leaf is not going to be green. It's going to be somehow orange color, so you will know when the leaves are started infusing. So this is what it looks like, and after a while it is going to change more. So guys, it is very, very simple. Bay leaf is so amazing. Like, if you have not yet tried bay leaf, I want you all to also try this, because hair tea and hair rinse are so great that you can try so many varieties. I normally share a lot. I will keep on sharing because there are so many botanicals out there. There are so many herbs that I am yet to discover, and you guys will also enjoy it and have the benefits. Okay guys, there are so many botanicals out there that I will keep on bringing to you guys, so that you guys will try them and see the one that you love, because some might be accessible, some might not be accessible, but this bay leaf, trust me, it is accessible, and you guys will be able to find them in where they sell food items, spices for cooking. Okay, so guys, bay leaf has some amazing benefits. It is able to help cure scalp infections, reduce scalp inflammation, and also it helps and it has antioxidants, it has antibacterial, antifungal properties, which is so amazing, guys. So this bay leaf can also be used. The water is amazing, guys. When you finish making your infusion, the water is so great to treat dandruff. So I know a lot of people, women, men, and some children, which their scalp is so dry and it results to dandruff and also some inflammation, such as swelling. Okay, this water, this treatment will help with that. And also an amazing thing that I love about this bayleaf treatment is that it helps to get rid of lice. Okay, we all know lice. Lice start with one, just with one, and then it will now start multiplying in your scalp. Okay, sometimes we cover our scalp to the extent that is not able to breathe. Okay, rinsing off your hair with this type of hair rinses, hairspray, especially with bayleaf treatment water, this infusion can help to treat the lice on your hair and also clean the scalp. This is an amazing benefit of hair sprays, okay, and hair rinses. Rinsing your hair after shampooing it with all this herbal tea and herbal infusion is so amazing. Okay, it also cleans the scalp thoroughly due to its bitter tasting and strong flavor. We know that bayleaf has a very strong flavor, and also it has a bitter, somewhat bitter taste. It is going to help create a suffocating condition for lice. Like, lice will not be able to stay on your scalp. It's going to suffocate them. Okay, guys, this is amazing. This is so great. Like, I am so amazed about these natural ingredients, what it can be able to do. Like, this bayleaf does not have side effects. You can use it in so many ways, and another way is that you can add this treatment water to your shampoo. It also helps to control hair fall. You can also grind bayleaf, the dried bayleaf, turn it into a powder and use it as an hair mask. Mix it with any mask of your choice and use it on your hair. So right now I'm going to be adding a little of the treatment water into my shampoo. Use any shampoo of your choice and use it to wash your hair. It has an amazing great benefit, and then you can use it to spray on your hair, use it on your scalp, use it as a hair rinse. Okay, after your final shampoo, you can use it as a hair rinse. You can decide to rinse it out, you can decide to leave it in, which is so great. So right here I'm just spraying this amazing treatment on my daughter's hair. As you guys can see, the scalp is healthy and it helps prevent lice, like I said, breakage, and also some scalp infections, okay, which you might not see with your physical eyes. Okay, so this might be the reason why your scalp is not growing, your hair is not growing. As you guys can see, she has gained some growth with these braids. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is so amazing. You can use this in so many ways. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I upload a video you will not miss it. And you can use this, make a little quantity, use this, and if you are not able to finish it, store it in your freezer, in your fridge, I mean, because a lot of people have been asking, where can I store this? You can store this in your fridge and use it up to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks it's going to, so because this is so natural, it does not have preservative, go ahead to make a small batch, and if you are not able to finish it, just store it in the fridge and use it up to a week or 2 weeks. Okay guys, use this as a hair rinse. You are going to enjoy it. Pour a little in your shampoo. You are going to love it, guys. So I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe for 1 week of good luck, guys. And those of you that have joined the channel lately, thank you so much. I am grateful, guys. Thank you all for subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. God bless you all, guys. So thank you, and I will catch you on my next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.